Hey guys, Jeff Worthy here. Pro tip of the day is to be on this wonderful brand new scag. I came out here and jacked it up and I found some stuff right from the factory, so that's why it's so crucial to do some checks every day or once a week. You're at least lifting this machine up to change your blades. Now this is a cover of pretty much every machine out there with a Timken bearing on the front fork and in the wheel bearings. So I'm going to show you exactly what to look for. First thing you gotta do is when you're up in the air changing your blades, you gotta take your forks. If they do this, folks, there's no load on that bearing. So what's gonna happen is it's just gonna come apart. The cages will eventually just blow apart. You gotta come see me, and usually half-hour labor plus the parts. Next thing you gotta check is if that tire spins, you would think that's usually good, but it's the same type of bearing in that fork that's in that front wheel. So you want to torque these down. You're gonna need just a few wrenches. For the front wheel, you're gonna take 2 3/4 inch wrenches. Very simple task. You know, hold one side, and you crank this thing down, okay? And you'll feel it when it gets snug. That's what you want. You want about a half spin out of it, and that loads that bearing. Now, every time you run it, you gotta imagine that's the first thing on concrete running. That's how it causes that bearing to loosen up. So if you keep it tight and greased, you'll get a lot more hours of serviceability out of that bearing. Next thing, if you're going down the concrete, most of the time, no matter what type of machine or what color machine, you'll get the wiggle and the jiggle. And that means that fork bearing is loose. So what you gotta do, get your little chisel, hammer. You gotta get right here, and you don't gotta hit it hard, you just tap it. Come around, tap again, take the cap off. And also what that helps you do is make sure there's grease, because you'll notice all the new machines, they got it plugged that you can't grease it. So if you see, when you tap that cap off and there's no grease in there, therefore you want to remove this, put a grease fit in it, and watch it fill it up with grease, because there's a seal in all the bottom of these bearings. You don't want to grease it too much, then you pop the seal out. Take your socket, wrench, hold the fork, there again, you gotta check. You don't want to do a whole spin, you just want to be tight, and you don't want to over tighten it. So you know, that's just a good test right there. You gotta have a little resistance, you just don't want to spin real freely. And right there, guys, that's how simple it is. Do some quick preventative maintenance. Cutting edge, get the service you deserve.